Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on YouTube step by step. Changing your YouTube language can help you use the platform more easily if the current language is not your preferred one. So let's get started. First, open YouTube on your computer. Go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with different options. Scroll down and find the language option. Click on it and you will see a list of available languages. Now scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. For example, you can choose English, French, Spanish, or any other available language. After selecting your preferred language, YouTube will automatically update the interface. You will notice that menus, buttons, and settings will now appear in the selected language. Keep in mind that changing the YouTube language does not automatically translate video titles or descriptions. Those will remain in the original language chosen by the video creator. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the language settings on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tips, settings guides, and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.